Hello, I'm going to show you how to carry two babies in two separate wraps. So that works for tandem carrying if you have an older baby or a toddler or a small child and want to put a smaller baby on the front, or if you have twins and you prefer having two separate wraps so you can take them in and out quite easily. So here I've got a baby on my back in a rucksack carry which I have tied on the front. For full tutorial, follow the links in my comment. So I've got a short wrap, I've got a size 2 wrap here. If you have a longer wrap it's fine as well, you just have to tie the tails around your lower back. So I'm going to grab the middle marker, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the fabric through like that on each side, and I'm going to create a pocket on my front. So make sure you go under the straps of your rucksack carry so you can still move around like this. Leave just enough room for your baby. Pop your baby on your front. Gonna lower your baby down. Sit your baby on top of the band, and then you're gonna spread to the neck, and then you're gonna pull the fabric strand by strand on each side like that. Try to keep your tension by pinning between your knees. I'm going to do the same here. Pull strand by strand like that, and then I'm going to grab the tails, cross under my baby's bum, and then depending on the length I've got lots of options here. I can just go and tie here, or I can create some leg passes, go under and then tie on my back. So even with a very short wrap I've got way enough length, and my base size is 5. So if you have like a base size 6, I think if you use a size 3 that should be enough. If you have a wrap that's a lot longer, don't worry, you just like keep wrapping around your lower back, it's totally fine. So double knotted here, and if I want I can also spread the passes on my front, so for extra support like that. So it's basically like a bit like a front wrap cross carry, but your tails are already done here. For tiny newborns, grab a muslin cloth and then roll it under the neck for some extra head support. But that's it. It's pretty simple, and it's nice because the pockets work independently. If I want to take my baby out, just undo my knot here. So you can take baby out, or if you need to feed, you can just lower down, so like breastfeeding, lower down like that, and then you can just retie, support the top of the shoulders. Bottle feeding, as your baby's quite nice and low, and then you feed like that so you don't overextend the head, and then you can retighten. Otherwise, pop baby out like that, remove, and you can keep your baby on your back. If your back baby wants to come out, you just remove everything. Grab the tails on top, and then do the same here, on through, and then you swing your baby to your front like that. All of this is shown in my other longer full tutorials. And that's it. Thank you for watching.